yan guys, look at that. Look at the place. Andito na tayo ngayon sa it's a part of view Yan. Napakaganda niya. Parang nasa probinsya lang tayo tingnan niyo guys. May camel, look at the camel.
And normally guys, yung makikita niyo mga ganyan, mga petchay man yan. Daming camel guys. Look at that oh. Hi camels. I'm a pig. Allahu Akbar kang giatay naman na. Ayan pa guys.
Ayan guys, napakaganda ng lugar. Look at that.
Nakakulong. Ang ganda. Parang para tayong... Tingnan mo kuya, tingnan mo may ano yan, buko?
Saan?
Palm? Ay, palm tree pala. Kala ko buko.
Look at that.
Wala kasi ako salamin.
Napakaganda ng lugar guys. Look at that. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang tayo Yan. Akala nyo nasa Dubai to From the city to the province. Look at that.
See? Ang daming...
Makamis ay parang Pilipinas.
Uy, para tayong nasa province papuntang Davao nyo.
Kaya nga
Ay, actually may ganito din sa Daet. Yung parang rough road yung daanan dahil sa gobyerno. Hindi pa mapa-flat. Pero here it's not corrupt. It's like that. It's still not developed.
Which is not about
Hindi naman yung nasa. Ba't ang bilis mong patakbo nitong mga ano to, desert safari?
Baka hindi ka informed. Ganyan dapat dito ang ano. Alam nyo, tingnan.
I think you're supposed to go faster because it's rough. Oh, swimming. Anong tarahong? Anong tarahong? I think this is like gated community. Kasi ko ang Arabic na kaito Tarahong. Kaya pahal. Tara means let's go. And there is them. So let's go to them.
Mahirap ba pag nagdadrive ng ganito?
Hindi naman.
Just go 500 miles.
Sabihan ko pala, Dara, mag-bike na lang tayo.
Oh yeah, biking here is better.
Boy, pag magalit bukas, boy, magano ka na lang, boy.
Shut up na lang ako. In fairness ang ganda ng lugar. Alam mo yung greens, kung you really wanted to be having a solitude in your
This looks like the 70s.
this is the place you should go. Oh my God. Mga dates, ito ang farm. Pero dapat nagtatanim sila ng lemon, ng cucumber, tomatoes,
It
ganyan.
looks like Al-Ain Oasis.
Ganda
Bakit
ng lugar
puro dates?
Malay mo, boy, may mga
Hala,
sa
ang ganda.
Maybe these are where
Guys, look at that. Dito tayo ngayon sa farm ni Boy.
Oo. Guys, sasabihin ko na ang totoo. Binili ko to. Tong camera.
This looks like Al-Ain Oasis na. Except it has walls.
Maganda talaga pag may may barkada lokal.
Hindi, pag attitude mo na friendly. Tingnan mo kung hindi ako friendly, wala akong masyadong kaibigan.